Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will be learning mole concept. Look at the board. One chemical reaction is given here. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. What is happening in this reaction? If I were to give the answer, surely I would say two molecules of hydrogen reacts with one molecule of oxygen to give out two molecules of water. If the same question is given to somebody else, he or she may give the answer as 4 units of hydrogen reacts with 32 units of oxygen to give out 36 units of water. So here same equation can be expressed in two different ways. Both the ways of expressing this chemical reaction is correct. So actually here two interpretations are there. Interpretation 1, we are considering the number of molecules. Interpretation 2, we are considering the mass of different particles. So the amount of substance in a given chemical reaction can be conveniently expressed in two different forms. That is the reason why a new concept, that is mole concept, has been introduced. According to this concept, 1 mole of any substance contain definite number of particles. That is here 1 mole. By saying 1 mole, we specify that it contains definite number of molecules, or 1 mole of substance contains definite number of particles. Then next, see children, it's a common experience that sometimes we have to go to fruit shop and we ask for 1 dozen bananas. See, 1 dozen bananas. Immediately the fruit seller starts counting 12 bananas and hands over the bananas to us. So what does it mean? 1 dozen specifies a definite number, that is 12. 1 dozen equal to 12. 2 dozens, 2 into 12. 10 dozens, 10 into 12. So dozen specifies a definite number. Same way 1 mole of species, it also specifies a definite or fixed number of particles. That fixed number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. The name is Avogadro number. Name is Avogadro number from the word Amedeo Avogadro, who was the discoverer of mole concept. Then listen, 1 mole of species contain Avogadro number of particles. This species, what do you mean by species? Species can be element or compound or ionic compound. If the species is element, the component or constituent particles are atoms. Why? Because elements are made up of particles called atoms. So if the species is element, constituent particles are atoms. If the species is compound, the constituent particles are molecules. Suppose the species is sodium chloride, NaCl. It's an ionic compound. So the constituent particles are ions. Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, cation and anion. So whatever be the species present, element or compound or ionic, it contain a fixed number of particles. That fixed number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Avogadro number. Then Avogadro number can be expressed like this: Na, capital letter N and capital letter A. Na stands for Avogadro number. This is the abbreviation for Avogadro number. Next, H stands for one hydrogen atom. Its atomic mass is 1. So H mass is 1 gram. 1 gram hydrogen atom contain Avogadro number of atoms. So atom, H stands for 1 atom of hydrogen. Its mass is 1 gram. In this 1 gram, very minute atoms are present. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present. Next, H2. H2 stands for hydrogen molecule. 2 atoms combine together to form a molecule. In 1 hydrogen molecule, Avogadro, that is mass is 2 grams. In 2 grams of hydrogen molecule, Avogadro number of molecules are present. Third one, H2O. H2O, 1 molecule of water. Total mass is 18 grams. In 18 grams of water, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are present. So H, 1 gram, Avogadro number of atoms. H2, 2 grams, Avogadro number of molecules. H2O, 18 grams, Avogadro number of molecules. This 1 gram or 2 gram or 18 gram, that is mass. Mass of an atom is atomic mass. Mass of molecule is molecular mass. Then what is molar mass? Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Mass of 1 mole is molar mass. Then what about molar volume? Molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP. What is STP? STP is standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. Therefore, molar volume of any gas, that is 1 mole of any gas, is 22.4 liters or 22,400 milliliters. Then see children, next, 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen. What are the informations given by 1 mole O2, 1 mole oxygen gas? First information is its mass is 32 grams. Second information, that O2 is a molecule, so the number of molecules present is Avogadro number. Third information is volume of 1 mole of oxygen gas, that is 22.4 liters. So 1 mole oxygen, mass 32 grams, molecules Avogadro number, volume 22.4 liters. So in general, we can write 1 mole is equal to what? 32. That is GMM, gram molecular mass. Then that is equal to, what is this one? Avogadro number of molecules. Then what is the next one? 22.4 liters. So learn this one. 1 mole is equal to its gram molecular mass. It contains Avogadro number of molecules. Then what about the volume? 22.4 liters.